Do you believe wholeheartedly that JayZ your father?
I really do. And if it's not, why you can't prove me wrong? Like, it's not far as a proving me wrong thing. It's go to the courtroom and basically.
JayZ's world just got turned upside down. His alleged secret son has finally broken his silence, dropping bombshell revelations that have everyone talking. With the rapper already facing serious legal battles, this shocking twist is bound to raise even more questions about his past. From shocking claims to questions about his legacy, the story is shaking the entertainment world to its core. What will this mean for JayZ, his family, and his empire? Stay with us to know JayZ's secret son. Rymir Satterthwaite, a 24-year-old aspiring rapper from Philadelphia, claims to be JayZ's biological son. This news has sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry and social media platforms worldwide. The story began when JayZ was still an emerging artist in the Brooklyn hip-hop scene. According to court documents, Rymir's mother, Wanda Satterthwaite, claims she had a brief relationship with the future mogul before his rise to fame. For years, this potential bombshell remained hidden from public view. Rymir grew up in Philadelphia with his mother and grandmother, showing early signs of musical talent that eerily mirrored his alleged father's artistic inclinations. The physical resemblance between Rymir and JayZ has sparked intense public speculation. From their similar facial features to their shared mannerisms, social media users have created countless side-by-side comparisons that fuel the ongoing debate. What makes this case particularly intriguing is the timing. As JayZ built his empire alongside Beyonce and their children, Rymir's existence remained a carefully guarded secret. The young man's emergence now raises questions about timing, motivation, and the complex nature of celebrity parenthood. Rymir was born to Wanda Satterthwaite after she allegedly slept with JayZ in 1992. She alleges that she was 16 years old while JayZ was 22 at the time, according to the Daily Mail. Wanda reportedly died from heart failure in 2019 at the age of just 43 and insisted that JayZ was Rymir's father until the end. According to Wanda's affidavit about her alleged hookup with the rapper, she met him through her friend Kalisha Allen. "Sean and I did have protected but the protection broke," she wrote. Sean and his friend returned 2 weeks later to see us girls again, but they only found me, since Kalisha was having problems at home. She added, "Sean asked me to leave with him, but I told him I could not because my mother would be upset. I never saw him again until a year later on television, but still had no idea of his real name until later and did not know how to reach him." JayZ has not addressed the claims in public. In 2011, his lawyer stated that he is not an interested party with respect to the custody of Rymir Satterthwaite. According to Gracia, Rymir's mother first told him that JayZ was his biological father when he was just 8 years old. A request for a paternity test was denied after it was revealed his stepfather and Wanda's boyfriend, Robert Graves, had been listed as the father on his birth certificate. The same article notes that Graves' name was legally removed in 2011 after a DNA test proved that Graves had no biological connection to Rymir. In 2018, Rymir told the Sun that it wasn't about money. "I don't want money or anything like that from JayZ. I just want him to finally tell the truth to the world," he said. "If you say I'm not your son and nothing ever happened with my mom, then just take the test. If you are telling the truth, then why is your first answer whenever you're asked to take a paternity test no?" The alleged son expressed frustration over lengthy paternity battle. The 31-year-old first approached the court about the issue in 2010 and has since filed multiple claims against the Roc Nation founder, including a recent filing in which he accused the court system of fraud and rights violations in the paternity case. Satterthwaite, alongside his godmother Dr. Lily Coley, revealed that before filing their lawsuits against JayZ, they initially tried to resolve the paternity issue by requesting a paternity test privately. However, the rapper reportedly turned down the request at the time, which led to them seeking the court's help to compel him. The duo have now offered a reason for JayZ's refusal, saying he was scared that confirming the paternity would reveal that Satterthwaite's mother was underage at the time of their alleged relationship. I have to say here, he's not doing the paternity test because of Rymir's mother's age, because he got two problems. One, she was 16 and then she got pregnant, Coley told the publication. Rymir stated that he believes JayZ had some type of thought in his mind that there might be some type of truth to the paternity claim. He believes this made the rapper brush it to the side despite having the opportunity to take care of the issue. During the interview, Coley discussed JayZ's ongoing rape lawsuit, in which the rapper is named as one of the alleged perpetrators accused of mistreating a minor. She claimed that the accusations could mark a day of reckoning for for JayZ's career in the music industry as a whole. And this is why you have to be careful how you treat people and what you do, because I believe you will reap what you sow, Coley told the outlet. Coley also shared her belief that the latest accusations could spill over into their case because it shows the broader narrative, the broader scope of what's going on, and that this goes deep and wide. Satterthwaite also voiced his frustration over how the paternity claim has dragged on all these years. You guys have gone and dragged this out for years and years. You haven't been giving us fair due process, said the 31-year-old complained. What was the reason? Can you guys explain? You guys caused us harm. You caused us distress. In the suit, the duo accused the named persons of obstructing their efforts to compel JayZ to confirm his paternity, misrepresenting his property ownership, and allegedly allowing the Roc Nation founder to make false claims. Elsewhere in the filing, they requested a declaratory judgment to establish that their constitutional rights were violated. They also sought to unseal previously sealed court records relevant to the case for public review. They urged the court to grant damages for negligent infliction of emotional distress, claiming they suffered significant personal harm due to the prolonged legal battle. Recently, JayZ and his longtime pal Sean Diddy Combs have been caught in the spotlight for all the wrong reasons. Just like Diddy, the legal troubles of JayZ seem to increase with time. JayZ suffers another legal blow. JayZ found himself embroiled in significant legal troubles, primarily due to a lawsuit accusing him and Sean Diddy Combs of raping a 13-year-old girl in 2000. The lawsuit, filed in late 2024, has sparked a series of legal maneuvers, including JayZ's attempts to dismiss the case and challenge the credibility of the allegations. The gravity of the accusations has drawn considerable media attention, placing the rapper's reputation and career in jeopardy. Carmen Bryan, a woman who was involved in a 9-year affair with the rapper, recently took down memory lane from the early days of her relationship with JayZ. The woman, a musical artist, reportedly revealed that she fell asleep on the sofa as she woke up from her deep sleep to find him kissing her on the lips. Carmen disclosed all these details about JayZ in her book after recently speaking out against him after his serious allegations of mistreating a 13-year-old minor girl. The 52-year-old musician, who got pregnant with the rapper's child during their relationship, opened up about their journey in her autobiography, It's No Secret. The book author said that her early days lover, whose real name is Sean Carter, was very, very warm and extremely humble when they two first met back in 1995. As she revealed their very first meetup, she said, "Over dinner, I decided he and I would be good friends for a very long time. We went back to Eric's house talking and laughing. I was in no condition to drive home, so I decided to spend the night at Eric's. Sean and I sat on the couch and pretended to watch television. Before long, I drifted off to sleep. I woke up with Sean kissing me. His lips were so soft and luscious, and I began to melt into him." However, Carmen also shared that JayZ's hands allegedly started to roam, but she said he stopped and did not any further moves. JayZ's lawyers have pointed out what they describe as glaring inconsistencies in the plaintiff's story, asserting that these discrepancies undermine her claims. They have also requested that the judge impose sanctions on the plaintiff's attorney, Tony Boothby, for allegedly failing to conduct a thorough investigation before filing the lawsuit. Meanwhile, JayZ has publicly denied the allegations, labeling the lawsuit as a blackmail attempt and asserting that he is being targeted due to his fame. Proceedings have not been without controversy. The judge overseeing the case, Annalisa Torres, has previously criticized JayZ's legal team for their aggressive tactics, stating that their motions were a waste of judicial resources. In defense of his client, Busby has maintained that she remains adamant about the truth of her allegations and has even agreed to take a polygraph test to support her case. This commitment underscores the seriousness with which the plaintiff is approaching the situation. In addition to the civil lawsuit, JayZ is reportedly pursuing legal action against Busby for defamation and extortion, claiming that the attorney is attempting to exploit the situation for publicity. This counteraction adds another layer of complexity to the unfolding legal drama. The allegations against both JayZ and Combs are part of a broader wave of accusations related to sexual misconduct, with Combs currently facing multiple lawsuits and being in jail awaiting trial on federal trafficking charges. As the case progresses, it remains to be seen how these serious allegations will impact JayZ's career and public image. The situation has sparked a broader conversation about accountability and the influence of celebrity status on legal proceedings, highlighting the ongoing challenges faced by survivors of misconduct in seeking justice. JayZ's secret son just breaks the silence. JayZ's alleged illegitimate son, Rymir Satterthwaite, has publicly expressed his dissatisfaction with how the rapper has responded to the serious rape allegations he is currently facing. Satterthwaite criticized JayZ for what he perceives as a pattern of deflection and attacks rather than addressing the allegations directly. He described it as both heartbreaking and frustrating to witness JayZ's approach, which he feels lacks accountability and transparency. Satterthwaite's comments are not just about the current allegations against JayZ, they also tie into his long-standing quest for acknowledgement of his paternity. He has been seeking clarity about his identity for years, stemming from the fact that his late mother, Wanda, was just 16 years old when she became pregnant with him. Satterthwaite emphasized that his pursuit is not motivated by greed or a desire for fame, but rather a genuine need to uncover the truth and ensure that all parties involved are held accountable for their actions. In his response, Satterthwaite expressed his frustration at being left in a state of uncertainty regarding his relationship with JayZ. He pointed out that despite his numerous efforts to reach out, JayZ, whose legal name is Sean Carter, has never once written to him to either deny or acknowledge paternity. He also criticized the rapper for not addressing the alleged fraud committed by his attorneys in relation to the paternity claims. This lack of communication has only deepened Satterthwaite's feelings of abandonment and confusion. Satterthwaite concluded his statement by urging JayZ to step forward with transparency, especially if he truly values the ideals of honor and protecting children, as he has claimed in previous communications. He expressed his commitment to seeking the truth and justice not just for himself but also for his late mother and others who deserve answers and accountability. His determination to uncover the truth highlights the emotional toll that this situation has taken on him. Amidst these personal struggles, an insider has claimed that JayZ, allegedly influenced by his wife Beyonce, is determined to confront the accusations head-on. The couple is reportedly working with a crisis specialist to navigate the complexities of the situation. This suggests that they are taking the allegations seriously and are committed to addressing them in a way that protects their family and their public image. The insider also revealed that JayZ has the full support of his daughter, Blue Ivy, who is aware of the ongoing situation. Blue Ivy is reportedly intent on standing by her father during this challenging time, demonstrating a strong family bond in the face of adversity. The source noted that she has been present in solidarity with both her father and mother, indicating that the family is united as they navigate these turbulent waters. Despite the Carter family presenting a united front publicly, JayZ's connection to embattled rapper Sean Diddy Combs has reportedly caused a significant strain on his marriage to the multiple Grammy-winning singer Beyonce. The long-standing friendship between JayZ and Diddy, which dates back to the 90s, has come under intense scrutiny in light of the serious allegations facing Diddy, including accusations of mistreatment and other misconduct. As the legal troubles surrounding Diddy continue to unfold, the implications for JayZ have become increasingly complex, leading to concerns about how these issues might affect his family life and marriage. According to insiders, the situation has prompted numerous discussions between JayZ and Beyonce about the potential fallout from the allegations against Diddy. The couple has reportedly contemplated how it would impact their family if JayZ were to ever be convicted of anything related to Diddy's legal issues. Beyonce, known for her strong sense of family and commitment to her children, is said to be particularly concerned about the long-term effects of these allegations on their family dynamics. As they work through these challenges, the couple's ability to communicate openly and support one another will be crucial in determining the future of their marriage amidst the ongoing turmoil. What's next for JayZ? Known for his rise from Brooklyn's Marcy Projects to becoming a billionaire mogul, his reputation now faces severe challenges due to multiple allegations. JayZ's alleged ties to Diddy have sparked significant concern. As Diddy faces charges of trafficking, racketeering, and other serious offenses, rumors have surfaced about JayZ's involvement or knowledge of certain activities within their shared social and business circles. While no direct evidence links JayZ to Diddy's legal battles, the association alone has been damaging. The two moguls have long been connected through collaborations and shared ventures, often representing the apex of hip-hop's transition into mainstream business success. However, Diddy's downfall has raised questions about the nature of these connections. Critics and observers speculate whether JayZ, as a close ally, might face further scrutiny. This association is not only tarnishing his reputation but also creating a ripple effect that could impact his business partnerships and public image. Adding to JayZ's troubles is a paternity case involving a man who claims to be his illegitimate son. This case has been a recurring topic over the years, but has gained renewed attention amid his other controversies. The paternity claim challenges JayZ's carefully curated image as a devoted family man. Married to Beyonce and raising their 3 children, he has often been seen as the epitome of stability and success in hip-hop. The allegations of an unacknowledged child not only threaten his family dynamic, but also raise questions about his authenticity. JayZ's identity as a cultural icon, philanthropist, and businessman is at stake. For years, he represented the pinnacle of success in the music industry and beyond, transitioning seamlessly into ventures like Roc Nation, Tidal, and his partnership with the NFL. These controversies, however, threaten to dismantle the empire he built over decades. Brands and collaborators might reconsider their associations with him if public opinion continues to sour. Investors and business partners often distance themselves from individuals facing such severe allegations, fearing reputational damage. The potential fallout could include terminated deals, declining revenue, and a tarnished legacy. Many fans express disbelief, struggling to reconcile the accusations with the image of a man who built an empire on resilience and talent. Supporters cite his philanthropic work, including criminal justice reform efforts, as evidence of his character. Hashtags like #standby JayZ have trended, with loyal fans urging patience until the full truth emerges. On the other hand, many people are upset and disappointed. The serious allegations, including rape and paternity issues, have caused outrage. Critics say that if the claims are true, he must be held accountable, no matter how famous or successful he is. Some have even called for boycotting his music and brands, saying he has let people down. This split in opinion shows how quickly public trust can be shaken. The road ahead for JayZ is fraught with uncertainty. He will likely focus on legal defense, public relations strategies, and damage control. His team may attempt to deflect attention or release statements emphasizing his philanthropic efforts and past achievements. However, this approach might not suffice. Public trust, once eroded, is difficult to rebuild. The paternity case and rape allegation in particular require clear and transparent responses. Any perceived lack of accountability could worsen his situation. As these issues unfold, JayZ's legacy hangs in the balance. Will he emerge unscathed, or will this series of controversies mark the beginning of his downfall? Only time will tell, but for now, the mogul's once unshakable empire appears more vulnerable than ever. With the public watching every twist and turn, one thing is clear: this story is far from over. What could this mean for the rapper's legacy? Share your take in the comments, and don't forget to explore more twists and turns by clicking the cards on screen.